Imagine owning a piece of a digital empire that connects billions, drives global commerce, and pioneers the next frontier of human interaction. This isn't about risky penny stocks. This is about a company so dominant and innovative, it's reshaping our daily lives. Its brand is recognized worldwide, its services are used every second, and its scale is mind-boggling. I'll break down why this stock is a permanent fixture in my portfolio, and why you should pay close attention. Holding a stock forever takes conviction in its vision and resilience through market storms. This company has proven it can weather disruption and emerge stronger, with a fortress balance sheet and visionary leadership. Hit the like button. Let's get 1,000 likes on this one. Share the video and leave your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the next important financial investing update. Let's dive in and reveal the one stock I plan to hold for life. The one stock I'll never sell? Meta Platforms, ticker symbol Meta, the king of social media. More than just Facebook, Meta is a tech powerhouse that's changed how we connect and do business globally. Meta owns Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger, 4 of the world's most popular apps. Nearly 4 billion people use at least one Meta product every month. This isn't just market leadership, it's digital infrastructure for the modern world. Owning Meta means owning a piece of this vast, interconnected digital nation. Mark Zuckerberg's strategic vision, acquiring Instagram and WhatsApp early, expanded Meta's reach and neutralized threats. Meta's influence is immense, its user base a fortress, and its brand universal. From an investment standpoint, the numbers and market position tell a story of enduring power. This is the foundation of my never sell thesis. How does Meta make billions while offering free services? The answer? Targeted advertising. Meta's platforms collect billions of data points, creating detailed, anonymized profiles for precise ad targeting. Advertisers can reach exactly who they want, maximizing ROI and making Meta indispensable for businesses of all sizes. The network effect, billions of users and millions of advertisers, creates a powerful economic moat. Meta's self-service ad platform is accessible and scalable, fueling a continuous revenue stream. Even in downturns, businesses rely on Meta's cost-effective, performance-based ads. This resilient cash flow funds innovation, stock buybacks, and ambitious bets on the future. Next, let's look at where Meta is heading. Meta's future isn't just about ads, it's about building what's next. While advertising has been the company's bread and butter for years, Meta is now setting its sights on a much bigger horizon. The company is investing heavily in technologies that could fundamentally reshape how we live, work, and connect with each other. This isn't just about incremental improvements, it's about bold, transformative bets that could define the next era of the internet. At the heart of this vision is Reality Labs, Meta's metaverse division. Reality Labs is pioneering both virtual and augmented reality, with the Quest line of headsets leading the charge. These devices aren't just for gaming, they're gateways to immersive digital experiences that blend the physical and virtual worlds. Imagine collaborating with colleagues in a virtual office, attending concerts from your living room, or exploring new worlds with friends, all from the comfort of your home. Meta is betting that these experiences will become as commonplace as scrolling through your social feed today. To make this vision a reality, Meta is pouring billions of dollars each year into research, development, and infrastructure. This level of investment is rare, even among tech giants, and it signals just how serious Meta is about redefining the future. The company's goal is to transform not just entertainment, but also the way we work, learn, and socialize. If successful, these efforts could unlock entirely new industries and revenue streams, positioning Meta at the center of the next digital revolution. For investors, owning Meta stock is like holding a call option on the future of the internet itself. You're not just buying into today's social media dominance, you're getting exposure to the potential upside of tomorrow's breakthroughs. If Meta's bets on the metaverse and next-generation technologies pay off, the rewards could be enormous. But Meta's ambitions don't stop at virtual reality. The company is also a global leader in artificial intelligence, a field that's rapidly transforming every aspect of technology. Meta's AI powers everything from the content you see in your feed to the ads you're shown, making the platform smarter and more engaging. Behind the scenes, teams of engineers and researchers are pushing the boundaries of what AI can do, developing new algorithms and models that could shape the future of digital interaction. One of Meta's most exciting AI projects is its family of large language models, including Llama. These models are designed to understand and generate human language, opening up possibilities for smarter chatbots, advanced content moderation, and even new forms of creative expression. By investing in cutting-edge AI research, Meta is positioning itself to lead the next wave of technological innovation, both within its own platforms and across the broader tech landscape. Beyond technology, Meta is also unlocking new ways to make money. Instagram shops are turning social media into a shopping destination, allowing users to discover and buy products without ever leaving the app. Paid creator subscriptions are giving influencers and content creators new ways to earn a living, while WhatsApp business messaging is helping small businesses connect with customers in more personal and efficient ways. These monetization streams are still in their early days, but they have the potential to become major growth drivers in the years ahead. Each of these initiatives represents a new frontier for Meta, expanding its reach far beyond traditional advertising and into commerce, payments, and business services. And then there's WhatsApp. With over 2 billion users worldwide, WhatsApp is one of the most popular messaging platforms on the planet. Yet, its business potential is still largely untapped. Meta is just beginning to roll out features that allow businesses to interact with customers, process payments, and provide support, all within the app. The scale of this opportunity is massive, and it could become a key pillar of Meta's growth in the coming decade. When you put it all together, Meta's combination of a dominant present and bold bets on the future makes it a compelling long-term hold for investors. The company's willingness to invest in transformative technologies, coupled with its massive user base and proven ability to monetize new products, sets it apart from the competition. For those willing to look beyond short-term volatility, Meta offers a unique opportunity to participate in the next chapter of the internet's evolution. So as we explore Meta's future growth engines, think about how you can unlock your own investing potential by understanding where the world is headed and positioning yourself to benefit from the innovations that are shaping tomorrow. Believing in Meta is one thing, knowing how to spot opportunities yourself is another. That's why I recommend the Value Stocks Investing Master Course. This program teaches you to analyze businesses, read financials, and identify true competitive advantages. Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, you'll gain the tools to manage your portfolio with confidence. Learn practical, actionable strategies used by legendary investors. Investing in your knowledge pays dividends for a lifetime. Click the link in the description to learn more and join the course. Now let's get back to Meta's numbers. Let's ground our excitement in financial reality. Meta's numbers are staggering. The company has consistently demonstrated its financial prowess, making it a formidable player in the tech industry. But what do these numbers really mean for investors and the future of the company? In 2023, Meta generated over $134 billion in revenue, with net income margins often hitting 25–30%. This level of revenue is not just a testament to the company's dominant market position, but also its ability to innovate and adapt in a rapidly changing digital landscape. The revenue streams are diverse, ranging from advertising to virtual reality, ensuring that Meta is not overly reliant on a single source of income. This translates to tens of billions in free cash flow, funding innovation, and shareholder returns. Free cash flow is a critical metric because it shows how much cash a company generates after accounting for capital expenditures. For Meta, this means ample resources to invest in cutting-edge technologies, acquire promising startups, and return value to shareholders through buybacks and dividends. Meta's balance sheet is rock solid with over $65 billion in cash and modest long-term debt. A strong balance sheet provides a cushion against economic downturns and the flexibility to seize new opportunities as they arise. This financial stability is a key reason why Meta can continue to grow and innovate without being overly concerned about short-term market fluctuations. This financial strength gives Meta flexibility to invest, acquire, and weather economic storms. Whether it's investing in new technologies like artificial intelligence and augmented reality, or acquiring companies that complement its existing portfolio, Meta has the financial muscle to make strategic moves that drive long-term growth. The company aggressively buys back shares, boosting earnings per share for investors. Share buybacks are a way for companies to return capital to shareholders, and they can also signal management's confidence in the company's future prospects. For investors, this means a higher ownership stake in a company that is continually growing and generating substantial profits. In 2024, Meta initiated its first-ever dividend, signaling maturity and a commitment to shareholder returns. Dividends are a tangible way for companies to share their profits with shareholders, and initiating a dividend can attract a new class of income-focused investors. This move underscores Meta's confidence in its ability to generate consistent cash flow. These moves make Meta attractive to both growth and income investors. Growth investors are drawn to Meta's innovative capabilities and market leadership, while income investors appreciate the stability and regular income provided by dividends. This dual appeal broadens Meta's investor base and supports its stock price. The financial engine is self-sustaining and built for the long haul. Meta's ability to generate substantial free cash flow, maintain a strong balance sheet, and return value to shareholders creates a virtuous cycle of growth and stability. This self-sustaining financial engine ensures that Meta can continue to thrive in the competitive tech landscape. Now let's tie it all together. Why is Meta my forever stock? Here's my conviction. Meta's robust financial health, strategic investments, and commitment to shareholder returns make it a compelling choice for long-term investors. The company's ability to innovate and adapt ensures that it will remain a dominant player in the tech industry for years to come. When I think about the companies that will define the next several decades, Meta stands out as my forever stock, the one I never plan to sell. There are a few reasons for this conviction, but it all starts with Meta's sheer dominance in the digital world. The company's platforms, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger, are woven into the daily lives of billions of people across the globe. This isn't just about popularity, it's about a resilient business model that has proven its strength through economic cycles, regulatory scrutiny, and technological shifts. Meta's ability to adapt, innovate, and stay ahead of the curve is unmatched, and it's this combination of dominance, resilience, and future-facing growth engines that makes Meta my top long-term holding. The core thesis behind my investment in Meta boils down to two powerful concepts: durability and optionality. Durability means Meta's business is built to last, with deep competitive moats that protect it from disruption. Optionality means Meta has the resources, talent, and vision to pursue multiple new opportunities for growth, even as the world changes around it. Let's start with durability. Meta's unmatched network effect is its greatest asset. With nearly 4 billion users across its platforms, Meta has created a digital ecosystem that's almost impossible to replicate. The more people use Meta's apps, the more valuable they become to everyone else. This creates high switching costs. Most people simply can't imagine leaving behind their social connections, memories, and communities. That's a level of stickiness that few companies can claim. This powerful network effect translates directly into consistent, robust cash flow. Meta's advertising business is a cash-generating machine, providing the company with the financial firepower to invest in bold, ambitious bets on the future, whether it's developing new technologies, acquiring promising startups, or expanding into new markets. Meta's steady cash flow is the engine that drives its long-term vision. Now let's talk about optionality. Meta isn't just resting on its laurels. The company is constantly exploring new frontiers, like the metaverse, artificial intelligence, and the monetization of WhatsApp. Each of these initiatives represents a potential game-changer with the power to reshape entire industries. The beauty of optionality is that Meta doesn't need every bet to succeed. Even if just one or two of these big ideas take off, they could drive massive growth for years to come. This approach gives Meta multiple shots on goal. If one initiative takes longer to pay off, others can pick up the slack and drive the next decade of growth. It's a dynamic, flexible strategy that keeps Meta at the forefront of innovation no matter how the tech landscape evolves. What's more, Meta's core advertising business acts as a safety net. Even if some of its moonshot projects don't pan out, the company's dominant position in digital advertising protects the downside. Meanwhile, the upside is nearly unlimited, thanks to the scale and reach of Meta's platforms and the company's relentless drive to innovate. This creates an asymmetric risk-reward profile that's incredibly attractive for long-term investors. The potential gains far outweigh the risks, especially when you consider Meta's track record of navigating challenges and coming out stronger on the other side. For me, that's the holy grail of investing, a company with limited downside but almost unlimited upside. Meta Platforms is still a profit machine with a market cap around $1.87 trillion, earnings per share of $28.29, a PE near 26.29, and 2024 results showing $164.5 billion in revenue and $62.36 billion in net income. What's moving the story now is product and platform momentum. At MetaConnect, the company unveiled its next-gen AI glasses, another swing at consumer hardware that could deepen the Reality Labs ecosystem and widen the moat around its AI ambitions. On the core ads engine, Wall Street is looking for meaningful upside, with some analysts modeling roughly $25 billion in incremental revenue as WhatsApp and Threads get more sophisticated monetization, and AI tools push better targeting and creative at scale. There's also a regulatory savvy lever. Meta has extended ad-free subscriptions for Facebook and Instagram in the UK, which not only helps with compliance but adds optionality for recurring revenue. Analyst sentiment reflects that backdrop. Consensus sits at strong buy, with an average price target of $816.16, implying about 9.7% upside from here. Put it together, and you get a company balancing innovation with execution. Short-term price noise aside, the setup favors continued growth. So the key is tracking product adoption, ad demand, and how these new revenue streams ramp over the next few quarters. Beyond the numbers, I also believe in Meta's mission to connect people and build community. Mark Zuckerberg's willingness to make bold, visionary bets, even when they're unpopular or risky, gives me confidence that Meta will keep pushing boundaries and shaping the future of technology. That's the kind of leadership I want to bet on for decades to come. Vision, courage, and a relentless focus on the long term. These are the qualities that set Meta apart from the crowd. For all these reasons, Meta is a permanent cornerstone of my financial future. It's the stock I plan to hold through thick and thin, confident that its durability and optionality will continue to deliver value for years to come. If you're looking to level up your investing game, understanding what makes a company like Meta so powerful is a great place to start. Let's dive deeper into the strategies that can help you build your own forever portfolio. We're relaunching the Value Stocks Investing Master Course, updated, improved, and more actionable than ever. Learn the principles of value investing, how to analyze companies and spot undervalued stocks. Build a resilient portfolio with smart diversification and risk management. Get practical tools, checklists, and access to a community of like-minded investors. This course is about real-world strategies you can use right away. Invest in yourself and your future. Knowledge pays for itself many times over. Don't miss this chance to transform your investing approach. Click the link to enroll today. Want even more direct access to my strategies? Join the Stocks Galore Patreon community. Get real-time trade alerts, weekly deep dives, and a behind-the-scenes look at my portfolio. Access a private Discord with hundreds of serious investors. Share ideas, ask questions, and grow together. I'm active in the community, answering questions and sharing insights. It's a small monthly investment for immense value and a supportive network. Find the link in the description and join us today. Now let's wrap up with a question for you. We've explored why Meta is my forever stock, but what about you? If you had to pick one stock to buy and hold forever, what would it be and why? Maybe it's a tech giant, a consumer staple, or something entirely different. Share your pick and your reasoning in the comments below. I read as many as I can. Your insights help us all become better investors. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit like, share, and subscribe for more. Your support means the world and keeps this content coming. Thanks for joining me today. See you in the next video.